God, what brush is shedding on me? What dry lips. Hi YouTube, what's going on? Today I'm going to be talking about a few purchases that I just made at Sephora, actually about an hour ago. Today was my last day for my 20% off, so I had to go and spend unnecessary amounts of money on makeup. But I'm really excited to try these with you guys. I actually am going to be doing the Makeup by Mario, the metallic ones. My shirt actually matches like perfectly all of these colors. Should I put all of them on? Okay, I actually am really into the fact that they put this guy in. This is so cool. So if you go and shop at Sephora or wherever you can purchase this, it comes with this like little Makeup by Mario Master Metal Manipulator. So I'm just gonna pop it in here and then make my own shadow. I think today I'm going to be using, oof, this is tough. I think I'm gonna be doing the blue. I feel like the blue is so pretty. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do the blue. Let's see, I've already started my foundation. My brows are already done. Maybe I'll do the blue with the gold. All right, let's try. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hello, this is very close. Okay, so first I'm gonna be putting in this guy, my Master Manipulator. I've only used one of these. I've used like the Makeup Forever Aqua Seal. I've used the MAC Mixing Medium. I've never used this one, so I'm excited to try. I'm gonna dip my brush in it first and then just get on it. I always hate taking off the thing that they put on the, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Wow. That was like instant. I literally just dropped my brush into it and then put it on. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I didn't even get a chance to like put a buffer color in or anything. Damn. I did not think that this was gonna come on like that. Wow. Okay. Can you see how beautiful that is? I was saying before I got so taken back by this eyeshadow is that I hate taking off these guys because I feel like then the eyeshadow it's already been used and it doesn't look as clean and pretty. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? This color is so pretty. All right, I'm gonna grab this palette. What do I even do? Wasn't expecting this to be that gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna use, I think this color. Kills me every time. I'm gonna pop that light color right in the center. Ooh, this is pretty on top. Sometimes I never know how like a powder shadow is gonna go on something that's already been like wet and creamy, but this is actually really nice. Do a little in here. Gorgeous. I'm actually gonna use the matte one really quick just to give myself like a buffer in between. I'm gonna be using this top guy. What I think about this palette, which is so cool, is that it was inspired by all the skin tones, which is, I mean, brilliant. This is literally every skin tone. That's so cool. Which is like a palette that anybody can use because there's everybody's skin tone in here. All right, I'm going to grab the coppery color in here. I mixed a little bit of my mixing medium. I'm gonna go right on top and tap it out with my finger. I just wanted to give a little bit more of like a goldy kind of color. These nails make things a little bit harder. I just wanted to warm it up a little bit. That's why I chose to do that rose gold kind of color. I didn't like how frosty it was looking. Pretty. I'm gonna use this palette again. I'm gonna use so there's two kind of bluish greens. One has a little bit more of like a purpley, more of like purple glitter in it, and the other one has more of a silver glitter in it. So I'm actually gonna do the darker one with the purple glitter. Go right in the corners. Just to give a little bit of depth. I'm gonna go in the inner corners too, just a little bit. I've been so into blue eyeshadow lately, I don't know what it is. It's probably the pandemic, to be honest. I started out being a makeup artist when I was 18 years old because I was obsessed with doing makeup on myself, and then I started working at MAC, and then I continued to be a freelancer and getting to travel around the world and do all these cool looks on these young pop stars, and this pandemic has really kind of brought me back to my roots and made me excited about doing makeup and trying different things on myself. Do you see how that kind of adds a little bit more depth to the shadow? When I wet the shadows, I'm using a synthetic brush. This one is from MAC. This is like a 239. I've probably had this since I worked at MAC. I like a synthetic brush better than a real brush. They're just easier to clean. I don't know how this mixing medium is gonna actually kind of wash, but usually a synthetic one is much easier to clean. I mean, how cute is a little tray? I love it. All right, I'm gonna pop it back in and go right underneath. These give a lot of pigment, so be prepared. As you saw, just one little tap really gives so much pigment. I'm gonna do a little bit more on the inside. Oh my God, it's so pretty. God, this brush has really seen better days. You know, sometimes you just have those brushes that you just can't give up. This is one of them. All right, I'm gonna take a clean brush and just kind of blend it all out. What I'm gonna try now is I'm actually gonna use the mixing medium. I'm gonna use the darker color. I'm gonna put it in my waterline, more of a dramatic effect. So, let's see. It might hurt, I don't know. This might not be waterline friendly. Okay, it doesn't feel great in the waterline. It stings a little bit, but beauty is pain. Okay, I wouldn't suggest doing this at home. I'm gonna try it out for you. This is not meant for the waterline. I'm gonna do it anyway, but just use a dark blue pencil. Actually, it's kind of okay now because the mixing medium has kind of dissolved. Okay, now I'm going to pop this rose gold that's in here. Actually, there's two. I'm gonna do the lighter one. I'm gonna do this guy. Just with my finger, pop it right on top. This would be like a really fun New Year's Eve look. If you're going to like a Studio 54 kind of New Year's Eve party. I mean, I would probably just wear this to church, but that's because that's the person that I am. Okay, last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that darker one. I'm just gonna go right in the corners. Next thing I'm gonna be using is this McGRATH LABS felt tip liner. I've actually never used this before either. Another makeup artist friend of mine recommended it, so let's see how it goes. Is this the best felt tip liner I've ever used? It could be. Okay, things I like about it. One, it's super black. Two, the point is also dark because I sometimes feel like you have to really bend it to get like the juice from the fatter part of it to the tip, but this is all really black, which is great. Now the true testament Is that what the word is? Now, the true test to see how great this liner is when I get a wing. Wow. Pat, you did it. Okay. This gets a 10 out of 10 in my book. Are those even? Nope. Sure aren't. This is a great liner. I bought too many things at Sephora today, but whatever. The next thing I'm gonna be using is the KUSH Milk Mascara. This mascara actually gets better the more that you use it. So I feel like in a week, it's gonna be really, really good. I actually don't mind clumpy bottom lashes though. I actually prefer it. I was gonna do lashes, but I think I'm just gonna let this kind of speak for itself. Touch up with some concealer, my favorite concealer ever, the Pat McGrath one. This is also by Milk. This is the Little Baby Milk Stick. This one, I think it's called Lit. Okay, pop. Last but not least, lip liner. This is also by Pat McGrath. This color is called Contour. My lips are uneven. My lips are uneven, so I have to draw down a little bit on one side to kind of cheat them. I was born this way. I probably could get it fixed, but nothing lip liner can't do. And then NYX Lip Lingerie. I love these so much. They're so cheap. They're like $8 and they honestly look exactly like the Kylie ones to me. This color, I forget the name of this one. Corset. I also bought this today. I probably have 10 of them because I always pick out the exact same color. Let me get a little powder on my face. This is the Kat Von D Locket powder. I always just do a little in here. Okay, here is my Makeup by Mario. First time using these metallics. Okay guys, that is all that I have for you today. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be doing so many more of these videos. If there's anything that you would like to see, please comment below and stay tuned.